Kumara Morama Intiere. Merry Christmas Eve. We're live and direct from South Carolina, USA. In this edition, we have a very special guest. This edition, we have someone who is amazing. We have the most amazing person ever. And this is Ajatom. You know Jatom? We have brought Ajatom to do for us. I'm just setting up the back channel. So if you don't see the screen, I'm just setting up the back channel. I have brought a guest. So the guest will give us what? How do you say it, Nikki? Christmas? Yeah, Christmas music. We have a guest, and the guest will bring us Christmas music. Woo! Ooh. Please show the guest some love, okay? And I'm just setting up so that we are live. I was having problems connecting, but we are live in a moment. And let me just update everything and copy that. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas wherever you are. We are live in a moment. We have a special guest today. So just give me a moment and then we shall have the music playing in the background. And then today we have a very special guest. Those who are joining me from Twitch, please let me know if it doesn't work because I was having problems joining. Our Twitch channel got somehow messed up. Our stream key was wrong, so that's why we could not be able to stream. But guess what? Now we are live. And we shall be streaming in a minute. I can see some people have started. Edu makopio, erokamano bwana. Anthony Wambua, you're asking, do you people have a YouTube channel? Yes, we do. The YouTube channel is luoenglishDictionary.com. Just go to YouTube, and we are now live on both YouTube and Facebook. We are live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and Instagram. So today we have a guest, and the guest is going to put for us Ngolo. Ebu chaki. Come closer. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our guest. She's going to play for us some music. Some Christmas music for a moment. Aya, twende. Cheza bwana, cheza. Amazing. That is our music genius from the world, from Walterboro, South Carolina. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we shall be reading and understanding Luo language on book number 10. And we shall be looking at the verbs, using verbs in sentences. So we have a few verbs here. What we'll do is we'll read the verbs, get their meanings, and then after that we shall be taking sentences, and that's how we shall do it today. So if you're joining us, please you can type on the chat box just to say hi. Anthony Wambua, I hope you've seen our stream on YouTube. And anybody else, if you want to join us, we are also live on Twitch. We are live on Twitch, we are live on YouTube, and we are live on Facebook. And let me just confirm that we are live on Facebook, because sometimes I think we are live and then something happens and we're not. And also I want to check the quality of the sound. So if you're just joining us, Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas Eve. Today we are going to look at verbs and using verbs in sentences. This is a Christmas edition. I'm just looking whether we are live on all these other platforms before we can continue, because sometimes I think we are live, we are not. Please, if you think we are live, wherever you're watching us from, just type a message so that I can see that we are live. That's it. That's the best way of knowing I'm live. If I can see a message from one of the platforms, then I can know that we're live. If you're watching us from Facebook, just send a message. Just send a short hi. And that way I'll know that we're live. And some people asked me whether they can send us M-Pesa. And I'm saying, yes, you can if you want to. You can send us M-Pesa right there. So I'll put 0720250585. That is how you can send us M-Pesa if you want to help. And thank you for those who told us that. So amazing, 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 amazing. So today let's talk about verbs and sentences. I want us to go through the verbs and sentences. And where is it? Thank you so very much for those who are supporting us. So what are the verbs that we're talking about? These are the verbs. To sleep is nindo. Nindo, sleep. Nindo. Okay. Chiewo. Chiewo. That's to wake. Chiewo. To go. To go. That's to play. Somo. Somo. To read. Somo. Ndiko. Ndiko. That is to do what? To write. All right. And then, if you look at the other part, there is where. Where means sing. Where. Where. The R has to be pronounced. Where. Then we have miel. 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 Okay. Miel. Then we have lemo. 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 That is lemo. And then we have tedo. 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 Okay. Chiemo. Chiemo. That is chiemo. Okay. Then we have or chamo. Yes, chamo. Sorry. Then mado. Mado. That is drink. Mado. do. That's to drink. Okay. Do. Biro. Biro. That is come. Biro. Biro. Then we have the. 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 THI. The. The. Woto. 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 Ringo. 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 Beautiful. So in this other part, what we have to do now is we want to do examples in sentences. And this is the most important part. Examples of verbs in sentences. Many people keep asking how to use examples in sentences. And now we want to give you an example of all the verbs that we've just talked about in the sentences. Meanwhile, our music person will have an interlude of music. So our music person is just preparing so that she can give us one more sound before we proceed. And she'll be here in a moment. If you love her music, please let us know on the comment section. The music is almost here. She's almost here in a moment. She will sing for us Silent Night. Which one? Joy to the World. Oh, she says Joy to... Auntie, which one? She says Joy to the World. Okay, let's see some music before we proceed. So the next thing is verbs and examples in sentences. That's our music. That is mano jato mane wanya yudo. Mane wa pesa ogike jokama. Kina no ni ndiye moro maber be imiwa. But that is the one that we could get. Go kendo. Again. Just take your time.
Want more, he says.
See, now it's coming. Hi, so I have to get piano.
Okay.
This is a Christmas edition, so we are not really like serious learning, but we're doing a few things here and there.
Okay.
This is a Christmas edition.
I'll start over.
fourth.
Okay.
Piga huko ndio anze ingine. That one is too nini. Like look for something else. I don't know whether that one.
Wait.
The way you wanted to do it twice.
Okay. Let me try again.
Hey, alworo jathum. Mane jathum ma wan godo jokama. Ka iwinjo moro maber moinge ikelnwa. That is the musician that we have of the day. Wewe ndio musician tuko nayo. Mano e jathum ma wan go kawuono. Show us some love. Give us some likes hapo kwa comment section, please. And now we move on to part 2. Remember in part 1 we talked about the verbs, but now we want to talk about the verbs in sentences. Verbs in sentences. So that's what we're going to talk about. And the first sentence is nyewo. Nyewo. Adwa nyewo lao manikod maradadi. Adwa nyewo lao ma ni kod maradadi. So that's how you use the verb. Like today, if you're going to buy a Christmas present for your loved ones, you can say adwa ngiewo lao mani kod maradadi. I want to buy a cloth that has some decorations in it. That's ngiewo. Then the second word, remember the second one was uso. Idwa uso na ango. Idwa uso na ango. What do you want to sell to me? What would you like to sell to me? Idwa uso na ango. Okay? Idwa uso na ango. Idwa uso na ango. Idwa uso na ango. Then laugh is nyiero. Nyiero. Nyiero is ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Okay. Then the next one is yuak. Yuak. Nyathino yuak nango. Nyathino yuak nango. Nyathino yuak nango. Okay? Nyathino yuak nango. Okay? Riembo. Riembo. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Let me remove my head from that place. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Also, if you're joining us maybe from YouTube or from Facebook and you see a verb and you want to just give a sentence for the verb, please feel free to type it on the chat box because it will appear on the screen. If you type it on the chat box, it will appear on the screen. Riembo. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Then nindo. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. So that means I want to go to sleep early because yesterday we remained awake all night. We were awake all night. Okay. Then we have bit. 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 Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. This sentence is always difficult to get because of the way most of the words are in, like if you read it, it looks like English, yeah? So it becomes very difficult. So ne onyisa ni Odhi bet etie yen. So under the tree. Bet etie yen. Okay. Then the next one. Chung. Chung. Chung is to stand. Chung. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. So we'll have another break, and in this break now we'll have some music from our very own musician of the day. Kawuono wakao nyaka jathum wakelo ka jowadu. We have brought a musician all the way from wherever she is coming from, so that she can give us some music. Now, I'm putting the verbs here. I'm putting some verbs here. If you want to, please write the meanings of the verbs, or you can write a sentence on the screen. It will display on the screen as our musician is giving us music. I'm just encouraging so that Nikki can also learn how to play the piano, and we just don't learn Luo. We learn many things. So I want her to learn how to play the piano as she's doing all these other things, okay? So let's move on. And Jatum, music. Welcome, Ziki. Juliet, thank you for liking the screen. That key is off. Whatever you're doing after that is off.
That one?
No, that thing you're doing here. That is not something that. Give us music. Go. Yeah.
Okay,
This is the music we've paid for. Joadu. Joadu, this is the music we've paid for. Uwinjo kaka thum wakelongolo kawuono onge macheso. There is no playing in this today. Tupatie nini hiyo kitu ingine. Merry Christmas Sokot. Erokamano Merry Christmas. In bende ibed gi Merry Christmas. Kawuono wan gi jathum mondiek. Gothum mabor. Yama tek yawa. Aya, winjuru ma. Merry Christmas. Now in the next session now, what we want to do is we want to bring Tony. And Tony is gonna read. Tony! It's your turn, baby. It's your turn. It's your turn to read. So Tony is going to read. Tony, it's your turn to read, Baba.
Yeah.
So Tony is going to read some of the verbs. Now we're going to read the verbs, okay? What you'll do is you'll read the verb and the sentence.
Okay.
So that you know how it's the meaning, okay? Let's see. Say check.
Check.
Okay. This is nyewo.
Nyewo.
Nyewo. Why don't you be confident? Nyewo.
Nyewo.
So can you read this?
Adwa nyewo la ma ni kod maradadi.
Read it confidently.
Okay. Adwa nyewo la lao ma ni kod maradadi.
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 Read it again.
Adwa nyewo la what? Lao ma ni kod oh my gosh,
Maradadi.
Maradadi.
Just read, when you're reading, just read per syllable. Just read maradadi. Okay? If you just read, you see here, you do a, dua, ni, e, wo, lao, ma, ni, kod, ma, ra, da, di. See?
Okay.
Start again.
Adwa nyewo la ma ni kod maradadi.
Yeah. What does that mean?
I want to buy the cloth that has decorations.
Number 2.
Uso. Idwa uso na ango.
Correct. Idwa uso na ango. Say that.
Idwa uso na ango.
Idwa uso na ango.
Idwa uso na ango.
Idwa uso na ango.
Idwa
Uso.
Idwa
yeah, that
uso
looks
na
like use.
ango.
You see, it looks like use, but here you say uso. Okay.
Uso.
Idwa uso na ango. What does that mean?
What would you like to sell to me?
Okay, number 3.
Wow. Niero.
Yes, niero. How do you say this?
Ka epodo.
Just go
Epodo.
one syllable at a time. Ka.
Epod.
No, this.
Epod.
No, say only this.
Epodo.
So,
Epodo.
yes.
To abirio. Nero.
Again.
Ka eparo.
Wait, read what you're seeing, okay?
Ka e paro.
Where is ro?
Oh my gosh. E padro. This is stressful. E paddo. To abirio. Abiro. Nero.
What does that mean?
When I laugh, I will laugh at you. When you fall, I will laugh at you.
When you fall, I'll laugh at you. Tell the people to subscribe to our channel so that the numbers can increase. You see that 32?
Yeah.
That 32 means the 32 have just subscribed today.
Please please subscribe to this channel, and please tell my dad that I'm trying my best to read. Like, please.
Yeah. Can you read this?
Atoni
Wambua.
Wambwas has liked the stream.
This one.
Repealer.
And this one.
Edu Mick
Has done what?
Opio has liked the stream.
What do you say? Tell to Edu Makopio. If someone likes the stream, what do you tell them?
I tell
Ero.
them.
Thank you is what?
Thank
Ero Kamano.
Ero Kamano.
Tell them Ero Kamano Ahinya.
Ero Kamano.
Ero Kamano Ahinya.
Ero Kamano Ahinya.
Alright, read the next one now. What's the word?
Cry.
What does it mean in Luo? Say it in Luo.
Yawak.
Yuak.
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 Read.
Nya.
Nya.
Thino. Yuak. Yuak.
Yuak.
Yuak. Nango.
Nyatino yuak nango.
Nyatino yuak nango.
Nyatino yuak nango.
Nyatino yuak. I keep on getting the pronunciation wrong.
You just try. Again?
Nyatino yuak nango.
Yeah. Nyatino yuak nango.
Nyatino yuak natino.
Next.
Wait, you forgot the sentence.
Oh, what's the sentence?
What is making the baby cry?
So cry is what again?
Yuak.
Louder?
Yuak.
Yes. Cry is yuak. Can you remember any of that we just did before cry? Which one is this?
Niero.
Yeah, niero. That's correct. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. Drive. What does drive mean?
Riembo. Omera Maduang Rembo Ga Nayam Bakuro
Nyamburko.
Nyamburko
Omera Maduong
Riembo Ga
Nyamburko. Omera Maduong
Riembo Ga Nyamburko. I only do better in my accent. My accent just doesn't want to show up today.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. So
wait.
Okay, what does that mean?
My elder brother drives a car.
So drive is
Riembo.
Okay.
You keep on forgetting the sentences.
Yeah, that's why you're here to remind me.
Oh.
Okay, let's move on. This one, what does that mean?
Nindo.
What does nindo mean?
Sleep. Adwa niendo chon kawono nitek nikech nioro.
You should be closer to the microphone so that
Nioro ni waruo pini. I want to go to sleep early today because yesterday we reminded.
You did what?
we remained awake all night.
So can you read this again?
Adwa nindo chon kawuno kawuno nikech nyoro ni ne
waruo piny.
Piny.
Again.
Adwa nindo chon Kauno, Nikech, Nyoro, Ne, Waruro, Pin.
Good.
Pin.
Next.
Bet.
Bit.
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 You're not working on the microphone.
Bit.
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 Louder.
Bit.
So say it now.
Ne Onisa ni odi bit e te yen. He told me that he is going to sit under a tree. Tree.
Ne onyisa. Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien.
Ne onisa ni odi bet e ti yen.
Ne onyisa
Nye onisa
ni
ni
odhi bet
odi bet
etie yien.
etie yen.
So what does it mean?
He told me that he is going to sit under a tree.
Good. Next.
Chung.
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 I heard this before in one of your videos.
What does chung mean?
Stand.
Mm-hmm.
Onego e chung malo ka iloso koda.
What does that mean in English?
You should stand up when talking to me.
Can you read it again?
Onego e chung malo ka iloso koda.
Onego ichung malo. Read after me. Onego ichung malo.
Onego ichung malo.
Ka iloso koda.
Ka iloso koda.
Onego ichung malo.
Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda.
Hey, if Tony's doing a good job, what should they do? Tell them.
Like and subscribe.
But what should they put on the comment section?
Thank you.
No, if you're doing a good job.
Tony's.
Hey, tell us whether Tony's doing a good job or not in the comment section, okay?
Yeah, okay.
You should tell them like that. If you tell them, then they will.
Tell if we're doing good, or if I'm not doing so good than last time in the comment section.
Yeah.
Just first comment how you rate me from 1 to 10, and then the second comment is like the same except it's for the other video that we had made.
Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
What's the next question?
Limo.
Limo.
Visit.
Limo. Say limo.
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 Let's move on now.
Wangni ka uloso.
Where do you get so from?
Loro. Sikul. Iberio. The limo. Dani.
Again.
Wangi ka uloro sikol eberio the limo dani.
Read after me. Wangi. After me. After.
Okay.
Wangi. Ka uloro sikul.
Ka uloro sikul.
Ibiro the limo dani. Wangi.
Ka uloro sikul. Ibiro the limo dani.
What does that mean?
When school closes, you will go visit grandmother.
Okay.
Wait, you forgot to put your grandmother.
Yeah, your grandmother.
Okay.
Next.
What? Lick.
Close it to the microphone.
Lick. Lick.
Read.
Weche ma ocho go chalo mana lick.
Say it again.
Weche ma ocho go chalo mana lick.
What does that mean?
Whatever he is talking about is like a dream.
Okay, read it again.
The Luo one?
Yeah, the Luo one.
Weche ma ocho go chalo mana lick.
Chalo mana lake.
Chalo mana lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Wait. Hear what I'm saying. Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Louder. Lake.
Lick. Lick.
Lake.
Lick. Lick. I can only do it when I lower my voice.
No, just put your voice high and just say it. Okay, let's see what comes out. Just say lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Yeah, lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick. Lick.
Lake. Lay.
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 Lay. Lake.
Lake.
So say lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick.
Lake.
Lick. Lick. Lick.
Le. Put your tongue like this.
Lick.
Le.
Lick. Lick.
Le. Say le.
It's too fast.
Le. See where my tongue is? Le. Lick.
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 Yeah.
Just admit it.
That's the best you've done so far, by the way. That's the best. Is that the best he's done? Please send us on the chat box. Just mention that's the best he's done so far. Because yes.
No, I was better last video. I was better last video.
No, this is the best you've done.
No.
Okay, next question.
Oh my gosh. Chopo. Finally, an easy one. Adi chopo sa angwen.
Good.
I will arrive at 10 o'clock.
How did you know this? This is easy. How did you know this? You read it perfect.
Yeah. What?
You read it perfectly. How did you read it so perfectly like that?
Number one, this word is familiar except some letters were changed.
Oh, that's what is familiar because of the counting. You remember the counting video?
Yeah.
That's why it's familiar.
Yeah.
So you can see that if someone sees a word, and then after a while you can actually see it and pronounce it, okay? So, Adi Chopo Sa Angwen.
Adi Chopo Sa Angwen.
Yeah, that's how you do it. You say it. That's good.
Yeah.
That was good. Amazing, man. Next.
Duok. Ka I to duok na nanga men mane awa cow cha.
Okay, say it again. Ka iye to duokna nanga mane ikawocha.
Mane ikawocha.
Ka iye
Ka iye.
Todwokna.
Todwokna.
Nanga.
Naga.
Mane.
Mane.
Ikawo
Iwukawo.
cha.
Cha.
Let's read it together.
Ka
iye
to
dwokna nanga mane ikawo cha. Again. Ka iye to dwokna nanga mane ikawo cha. What does that mean?
Could you please return the dress that you took earlier?
Yeah. Amazing. Next.
My hands are sweating.
Why?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Answer dwok. Mano doko dwoko. What an
Again?
answer.
Again?
Mano doko dwoko.
Correct. Mano doko dwoko.
What an answer.
Mano doko dwoko. Tony, mano doko dwoko. All right, move on.
Donj.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Kar donjo ni gi koni mar wok nege kocha.
Yeah, read that again.
Kar donjo ni gi koni mar wok nege kocha.
Amazing.
The entrance is this way.
Hmm?
The exit is on the other end.
Good. Then the next one.
Okay, I think this is, and I think, remember, paro.
Mm-hmm.
Ka aparo to advi mede I kwan. Kwan.
Read that again.
Ka aparo to advi mede kwan. If I remember, I'll incorporate him in the budget.
Ka aparo.
Ka aparo
To adi mede ekwan. Ka aparo to adi mede ekwan. Let's do that again. Ka aparo to adi mede ekwan. So if I remember, I will incorporate him in the budget. Okay. Oh, I'm blocking people from. Okay, let's move on. And what does it say?
Watch.
So what's watch?
Tell.
Mm-hmm.
Watch ni ne an
Read everything. Say wait. Start. Watch
ni ne watch ne ni an yo abiro sani.
again.
Watch ni ne watch ne ni an yo abiro sani.
Watch ne
ni
an
watch ne ni
an eyo abiro sane. What does that mean?
Tell him that I am on my way right now.
Okay. So when you want to tell someone that you're on the way, what do you say? An eyo.
An eyo.
That means I'm on the way, okay? An eyo.
An eyo.
I'm on the way means, how do you say it?
An eyo.
An eyo.
Okay.
Uh-huh. This one?
Wait, so I can say one of those words?
Yeah. Which one do you want to say?
Los.
Yeah, say that one.
Los kode sama pok nindo otere no.
Again?
Los kode sama pok nindo otere no.
What does that mean?
Speak to him before he falls asleep.
Good. Again? Los?
The little one?
Yeah. Los?
Los kode sama pok Nindo otere no.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Speak to him before he falls asleep.
Good.
Like you.
Like me?
Yeah, when you're in your bedroom and it's morning time.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Next.
Los.
Uh-huh.
What? Los koda nyako.
Uh-huh.
Talk to me, girl.
So what does loss mean?
Talk.
And the other side, what did loss mean? The other one, what did loss mean here?
Speak.
So talk and speak, is it the same thing?
Yeah.
So in Luo, loss means either speak or talk.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Now, is that the last? No, not yet.
No.
So what does that mean?
Oh my gosh. Winjo.
Mm-hmm.
Anyalo winjo ka apunya ja kwano.
Can you read that again?
Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano.
Anyalo winjo
Anyalo winjo
ka
ka
opuonja
opuonja
kwano.
kwano.
Anyalo winjo.
Anyalo winjo ka
opuonja
kwano.
So you see this part. This part is nja.
Ja.
Nja.
Nja.
And this is
Ja.
nya.
Nya.
So you say the n and then you say ja. Nja.
Nja.
Opuonja.
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 Anyalo.
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 Opuonja.
Opuonja.
Anyalo winjo.
Winjo.
So you see this is nja. This is njo. Okay? Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano. Okay, what does that mean?
I understand when he teaches me math.
Okay. And I think this is the last one now.
Finally.
Uh-huh.
So, guagni gari ni onion. Guagni gari ne oniono ma oto.
Again?
Guagni gari ne oniono ma oto. Oto.
Guogni gari ne onyono ma oto. Guogni gari ne onyono ma oto. Guogni
gari ne onyono ma oto.
So let's read that together.
Guogni
let's start again.
Guogni gari ne onyono ma oto.
What does that mean?
This dog was run over by a car and it died.
Yeah, that's it. Good job, good job, good job. High five. Woo! So tell them subscribe to our channel now.
Subscribe to our channel.
And tell them to like your video. Tell them, please like my video.
No, don't like.
Tell them, please. Tell them to like your video.
Only like. Okay, fine. Like the video.
Yeah. Why don't you want them to like the video?
But only like it because of the first part where Dad was only reading.
All right, now you can go and play. See here? Come and see. Come and see what the governor said. It's a wonderful, great evening, and I'd like to wish you to all a happy and Merry Christmas wherever you are at this moment. May glory be to God. See this Weaver Bada said, I just woke up. I'm so happy to see you good people working hard to keep the culture alive through language. You've done all this on your own. I think the local community and government should support you. See, they're very happy that you're doing a good job. See? And this one says what? Hello, veterans, brethren. Hey, Governor, Irokamano, Chief Governor. Chief Governor Irokamana Enya.
Good job, young man.
See, I told you they like what you're saying. They like what you're doing, man. Yeah. Governor Irokamana Enya, thank you so very much. Weaverbird, thank you. We appreciate your comments and thank you so very much for supporting us. And we are doing this for the community. I know 100 years from now, they'll be like, oh, where is that YouTube video? I hope so. All right, Sonny, you can go and sleep. Go and play now. Irokamana Enya Governor. Irokamana Enya Governor. From Wilson Airport. That is Chief Governor Engineer Easy E. Kwe, CHE1. Thank you so much. You always support us. So let me read a few more verbs that we can read. Bless is guedo. I hope when the young boy was reading, you guys saw like people struggle with reading, but you just encourage them. You know, it's not easy to read. So just encourage them to read. And when you're encouraging someone to read, just read with them. You know, when you're encouraging your kids, because I know most of us, we want our kids to read the Luo language, but we don't have the places where we can see them reading. Weaverbird, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too. You have a great one, Weaverbird, and thank you for always supporting this channel. So when you're reading with your child, just read together, like let them read first, let them read however bad or good they can, and then come back with the correct way to read it. And sometimes they don't have the tonation. So concentrate on the tonation. So when you're putting the tonation, make sure that they do it with you. That way they develop the accent. It's easier that way. Okay. Julia, thank you. Nyasaye guedo jok malemo. So that says God blesses those who pray. Nyasaye is God. Guedo is the act of blessing, the verb bless. Hey, Chief Governor, what's now? Yeah, thank you so much for supporting the young boy. He's really doing a good job. He doesn't still know how to speak a lot of Luo because he doesn't have someone to interact with. At least it's only me and the mother, and we are very limited because he has to go to school, and school there's no one who speaks the language. But just like the sister, I know that in this year, 2022, he must speak Luo. That's the only way that we are going to support him. So that's, in as much as he doesn't speak Luo right now, he has started understanding a few things, but he will understand more as time goes. And before long, we'll all be speaking Luo in the house fluently because I'm very dedicated with that program. Ask me before I close, Mr. Chief Governor. I'm here. The next one is Gero. Gero. And Gero says, Adwa Gero ot machielo. Adwa Gero ot machielo. I want to build another house. Gero is to build. Adwa Gero ot machielo. Okay. Then Cielo. Cielo. The C and the H have to be pronounced. You have to say ch. Cielo. Cielo. Ahero cielo. Rech. Ahero cielo. Rech. Ahero cielo. Rech. Oh yeah. Now the thing is, we don't really. We usually do it only on Sundays, but because it's Christmas Eve, I didn't go to work today, so that's why I did it today. But usually we are only here on Sundays. So Chief Governor, I'm only usually just here on Sundays at about Kenyan time. It's usually about what time is that? About 5 o'clock Kenyan time. That's usually the time that we do it on Sundays at about 5 o'clock Kenyan time. But because I've not gone to work and because it's Christmas holidays, it will be random for the next few days. Yes, chielo, ahero, chielo, rech. I like to fry fish. Ahero, chielo, rech. Oh, that is the other one here. Ahero, chielo, rech. I like frying fish. Thank you. Chielo, also frying. Chielo, fry. Then we'll move on to luok. Luok. Luok mawembe no kapok ichame. 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 Okay, so wash, luok. Luok, wash. Okay. Mulo. 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 Ka I mulo korot. Ka I mulo korot. Lweti biro weyo ranyisi. Ka imulo korot. Oh, thank you, Chief Governor. You're saying that you'll be joining us anytime you find. Anytime you're live, thank you so much. And always supporting us. Thank you. I really appreciate. Ka imulo korot. Lweti biro weyo ranyisi. So mulo is touch. Ka imulo korot. Lweti biro weyo ranyisi. 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 Okay. Then the next one is luong. 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 Luong na nyathi matin no. Luong na nyathi matin no. Luong na nyathi matin no. Please call the young child. Luong. Luong. If there's an apostrophe, sometimes there's an apostrophe here, then that's luong. But luong, ng, ng. Luong. Luong na nyathi matin no. Okay? Then lie is nindo. Nindo. Idwa. Idwa. Idwa nindo piny etie yien. Idwa nindo piny etie yen. You see this tie? This tie is really difficult because it's tie in English. So many people say tie, but it's tie. Tie. Idwa. Idwa nindo piny. Idwa nindo piny etie yen. Idwa nindo piny etie yen. Okay? Idwa nindo piny etie yen. That is nindo. And this is piny. 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 Nindo. Piny. Piny. Okay. Then there is adi. Adi means I'm going to. I'm going to. Goyo. Goyo. Goyo is to play drums or to beat the drums. Mulo, touch. Korot. Let me remove my so that I can see what you've written here. Okay. Mulo, touch, korot, wall, fingers, lit, luedo. Nyati, child, nindo. Oh, thank you. Let me copy what you've just said. That's very good. Let me go back to that. 1 minute. 1 minute. This is very important. This is very important. So what engineer said, he said mulo. Mulo is touch. And then the other one is what? Korot. Korot is wall. Then we have fingers is litluedo. And usually the thing is usually I want to improve these things. So that's why I really appreciate. And sleep. I really appreciate this feedback. Now you see, he has because sometimes people someone like me, I just quickly go through it. This says idwa nindo piny etie yien. Idwa nindo piny etie yien. So piny, where is it now? Tie yien is under a tree. And then the other one, this one that we just talked about. This one here. Luongna nyathi matin no. So now if you look at what he has given us, if someone is watching, please screenshot this so that you can be able to keep it and just see how to develop vocabulary using such simple a simple way of doing it. You chunk it down into smaller pieces and look for the meaning of the word, and then that way you'll be able to associate a word with something else, like touch, mulo, korot, wall, fingers, lit, luedo, nyati, child, sleep, nindo, tie, yen, under a tree. If you chunk it like that, I'm very sure you'll be able to understand Luo very fast. Thank you. So let's look at the goyo, goyo bul, goyo thum, goyo abal, goyo ombolo, goyo olang. So you can see goyo takes very many forms. So bul is drum, thum is music, abal is swimming, ombolo is to vote, olang is bell. That takes very many forms. You can make very many sentences out of goyo. I think we did there's a video we did with over 100 sentences that include goyo in one of the 1.5 years ago, I think. Goyo was a very big word. So many things you can say goyo. Then let's move on to chwak. Ohero ringo ma o chwak. Ohero ringo ma o chwak. Meat is ringo. Now, this is what I was talking about. You see this apostrophe here. So now, because there's an apostrophe, you say ngo, ngo. Thank you so much, Weaverbird. Thank you so very much for supporting us. Blessed season's greeting to you, and thank you for always supporting us, and we wish you well. Please go to work, make some money. That's very important now. And thank you. And tell people about us. Please tell people about us. Ohero ringo ma ochwak. He loves. Love. Hero. Ohero. He loves. Ohero. I love. Ahero. They love. Gihero. So, I love. Ahero ringo ma ochwak. She loves. Ohero. She or he is o. So, ohero ringo ma ochwak. Okay? Then, they is gi. Gihero ringo ma ochwak. Gihero ringo ma ochwak. They love. Gihero ringo ma ochwak. We love. Wahero ringo ma ochwak. So, for what I've said, ahero, I love, okay? Then, wahero, we love. Gihero, they love. Then, ohero, she loves, he loves. Then which one have I not talked about? Ahero, wahero, gihero, ohero, uhero. You love. Like that is a plural for you. You love. Uhero is you love. Okay? That should be like this color. Okay. Let me just change the colors. Give me a minute. Meanwhile, I really appreciate those who've been giving us encouragement. When we started, we didn't think that this was an important thing, but now we have a lot of love coming from all over the world, which is a good thing. There you go. Let's see. There you go. Ahero, I love. Wahero, we love. Gihero, they love. Ohero, she or he loves. Ohero, you love. So, ohero ringo ma ochwak. Ahero ringo ma ochwak. Wahero ringo ma ochwak. Gihero ringo ma ochwak. That will still give you the same. He, she, they, we, I love boiled meat. Boom. Geno. An gigeno ni aditieko tijni. Thank you, engineer. An gigeno ni aditieko tijni. I have hope. Geno is hope. Hope. Geno is hope. I have hope that we shall complete this task. An geno ni aditieko tijni. I have hope that I will complete this task. So geno, hope. Geno is hope. Geno. And this geno is also the Christian hope, okay? The Christians have hope that Jesus is coming soon. They have hope. Geno. They have hope. So the hope that we're talking about is geno. Hope. Puro, dig. Or to, Encha, what is the other word? Puro is to dig. Adwa, puro, tie, chiel. And this was deliberate. This tie, I put it here deliberately. This is the second time we're meeting the tie. Because it's confusing. So tie is now around the fence. Tie simply means the foundation, or next to the, I don't know, what is the other way? Somewhere around that place. That is tie. So in this case, adwa puro tie chiel. I want to dig around the fence. So I want to like maybe make something around the fence, okay? Tie chiel. Bilo. We have a store here called Bilo. So this is not Bilo. Bilo. Pok a bilo chiemo machal kama. Pok a bilo chiemo machal kama. Pok abilo chiemo machal kama. Bilo is also something else. Bilo enangocha. Bilo is which doctor's medicine? Hold. Mako. Ne omako luet chiege esiro. Ne omako luet chiege esiro. Ne omako luet chiege esiro. Then ket gino ewi mesa. Ket gino ewi mesa. Ket gino ewi mesa. Ket gino ewi mesa. Okay? Boom. Now this was November. We first did this edition November 2020, but now it's December 2021. But this was first this PDF. We shall give it to you for free. All you need to do, you may modify this. Oh, this is nice. You may modify the contents to suit your context. You may request for more free books from luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com. You can also find video versions posted on YouTube using this link. Boom. If you click on this link, it takes you to this video that you are watching right now. But now, this book is distributed free of charge. So if you want the PDF version of this book, please send us an email. And this book was very comprehensive. We tried to put as many as we can, and you can see it is very friendly. It is something you can download on your phone, and once you download it on your phone, you can talk with your friends, you can talk with your child, you can make them read it in the night, and it has the meanings, it has everything that you want. Maureen Auma says, it's a wonderful lesson. Thank you, Maureen. Thank you so very much. We appreciate. So this is something that if you want, we give it to you for free. And you can always, the reason why we do this is so that we can start having material. Somo. We can start having material masomo. We need material to read. Christmas edition. Christmas. Everybody dance. Thank you so very much, those who joined us. Our musician is almost coming back. She's coming back in a minute to give us a Christmas carol. Yatumbi. Christmas person, please come back so that you give us some Christmas edition. And we appreciate you and thank you so very much, everybody. And let me just make a new slide to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2022. Tomorrow, I don't think we'll be here. Tomorrow we might be on Christmas. So if you don't see us tomorrow, the next day we might be here. Next day is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday I plan to be here. So Sunday. So let's enjoy some Christmas carols as we wind up. We are winding up now. And Nikki is going to play some music. And
Wenceslas. Okay, sorry.
That's the type of music that we could afford. Joadu, don't crucify us. We are trying, okay? So Nikki is trying to learn the piano, but she's not yet there. But at least she's playing. She can play something. Play the one that you usually play every day.
That one. That I usually like playing.
One that you usually beat. I don't know how you call it.
The Christmas parade?
Thank you. Bye. And you wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. Take care, everybody. And I will see you when we see you, whichever that day is. I hope we'll be here on Sunday though. I hope we'll be here on Sunday. Those who kept us company all that time, please thank you so much. May God bless you.